Hi, I'm Adam Talley with Talley Insurance, and today we are talking about auto insurance. Now, when it comes to the state of Florida, there are two coverages that you absolutely have to have, state mandated. State says that you have to have property damage, at least at $10,000, and personal injury protection coverage, which is also called PIP, and that's also at a $10,000 limit. Now, if you have those coverages, technically, yes, you are insured as far as the state is concerned, and you're not going to get any points on your license or any license suspension, anything like that. So, although that is what is required by the state, that doesn't necessarily mean that you are fully protected in the event that you get into an accident. Okay? To protect your car, you need to have comprehensive and collision coverage. Those usually come with deductibles. We always start out at $500, but you can go as low as $100, and you can go as high as $1,000 to even $2,500 on that deductible. Usually, right around $500 gets you the best value for what you'd actually have to come out of pocket for. Now, if you add those two things, and then you also add bodily injury coverage, then you would have what people consider full coverage. Now again, full coverage doesn't necessarily mean that you are fully covered. Bodily injury coverage starts as low as $10,000 per person and $20,000 per accident, and this is when you cause the accident. Now, most of the time these days, $10,000 for one person in the event that they're injured isn't really enough. Those limits can go all the way up to $250,000 per person or $500,000 per accident, and there's a lot of different options in between. The best thing to do is to call an agent and have them go over all the options with you to see what value you can get for your budget. Okay? Now, other coverages that are important that aren't always included, uninsured motorist coverage. Okay, and this is going to protect you in the event that you're in an accident, not caused by you, but the person that hits you, they are either uninsured or underinsured. Okay, and this is a very, very important coverage because nowadays with the cost of insurance going up very much, you can see where a lot of people on a budget, they might not have the coverages they need, and if they hit you and you're seriously injured, you could be coming out of pocket for a lot of those excess payments that are needed to, help with your car or your injuries or anything else like that. So this is very important that you at least talk to your agent about these coverages. Now, other coverages that you can add on to an insurance policy, you can add on roadside assistance coverage. Now, this is going to be flat tires, out of gas, locked your keys in your car, need a battery jump. Usually a very, very affordable coverage to add. You're talking somewhere in the price range of $10 to $25 for the entire year. But if you had to call somebody, and you didn't have that coverage, you could be looking at a couple $100 just for them to come, start your car, get your keys out, something like that. Another important coverage is rental reimbursement coverage. Okay, this usually starts at $30 a day. It's always for 30-day period, so at $30 a day for 30 days, you'd be looking at a $900 total. And what it is it's money in case you are in a covered accident and you need to have a rental car. Now, if you go out of pocket for your rental car cost, you could be looking at $900 to $1,000 of your own money just to be able to drive around town. There are so many other coverages that can be added and all sorts of different intricacies when it comes to auto insurance. So if you have any questions, give us a call today. Adam Talley at Talley Insurance, 813-685-9393, and always at ctalleyins.com.